decrease my living costs. I'd like to paint first. I have a very defined list when looking for a house. I think that 3 bedrooms sell quite a bit better than 2 bedrooms for resale, and 2 bathrooms because I'd like to have roommates and I prefer to have my own bathroom. I love the stainless steel appliances and I love the granite countertops. I'd love to have that in a new home. And above, I'd like a fenced-in yard for Finley, so he has room to play.
This is the mama, Peach. She's got the dapple markings, like Big Baby does, the Hulk. And then the one next to the Hulk, that's the runt. You can tell the difference in size, but she's gaining ground, and she's strong and healthy. Mama, Peachy, right there, feeds them almost 24/7, and her diet has been increased for the extra mouths she's got to feed. How can you deny these little faces? Look at those faces.
I have a very large and very opinionated family that is all wanting to be involved in this process. My aunt will be touring with me.
They'll be ready in 7 weeks.
And she really just wants me not to grow up too fast.
I want you to have roommates. We don't need to do the marriage thing yet. The roommates, that's a great idea. They can help you pay your bills.
I'm really looking forward to growing up and having a family and getting married, and I've looked forward to my career for so long. So buying a house is just one more
And
step
next
in that
week
process.
their eyes will be open,
I've known Laura since she
and their ears will open up.
Her auntie Di and I are bestest of friends. We've known each other since college. Laura is on the younger side.